see he's taking stuff out already. So the plan is to remove this wall, this column, this wall, make this all one, remove the flat ceiling and make it a pitched roof. Also put in a roof light in the end. These boys know what they're doing.
Certainly do. Well, this one does.
So it's all passed, no problems. In fact, it did say these guys clearly know what they're doing. I don't know if that was a joke.
Dave pulled up early with a measuring tape. Zara rolled in with a coffee and a gold rim frame. Cabinets off, dust in the sun. Said this old room's got work to come. Open boxes by the back doorstep. Samples on the floor and the floor ain't set. She pointed at blue, he said maybe white. By noon they were laughing in the half-built light. Heat on the window, sweat on the paint. We don't need perfect, we just need change. Dave and Zara, summer song. Hammer down, we're moving on. Dave and Zara, all day long. Turn this old place into a sing along. Dave and Zara, Dave and Zara, Dave and Zara. Sink in a cradle, tiles in a stack. Bare feet stepping where the boards talk back. Radio low, and the fridge still hums. They dance around the mess like the best is gonna come. Sweat on the paint, we don't need perfect, we just need change. Dave and Zara, summer song. Hammer down, we're moving on. Dave and Zara, all day long. Turn this old place into a sing along. Dave and Zara, Dave and Zara. Slamming on the counter, light in place. One small kiss in a cloud of dust. Built by hand and held by trust. Dave and Zara, summer song. Hammer down, we're moving on. Dave and Zara, all day long. Turn this old place into a sing-along.
Right, Dave. It's finally finished 3 years later. It's been a long time.
Yeah, I'm nothing if not swift.
Yeah, it looks amazing. Everyone's going to agree. It looks super amazing. Right, what was the hardest parts for you in the whole kitchen? What did you think was the hardest bit?
for me, measuring stuff, because I'm awful at measuring. Celotex.
When we did the insulation in the roof. That's probably because you've got so many angles and it's so thick, you've got to calculate the angles.
Then cutting it open, the dust, all that sort of stuff was going on. It's just
it's horrible
horrific.
stuff.
And I think it was probably one of the hottest summers we've had for quite a long time, so we was doing that. So at the top of the ceiling, it was particularly warm.
I only came here and helped out for some of the bits and pieces like the steel work. That's always the problem with structural steel. It's never right, it never fits. But you look at the bits that I have templated and it's perfect. It sits right in, right size, right angles, everything is spot on. Just the only bit, the one bit which they had to rely on the drawing and they missed it. Some of the original plumbing and that kind of thing, the outside drains, which is good. So we're going to cut this pipe. But the rest that you've just seen, the utility room, the toilet, most of the units here, it's all been done by you. It's the first time you've done anything like this as well.
Yeah.
Very impressive.
Yeah, no, cheers,
It
mate.
looks fantastic.
Had you not taken the time to teach me the skills to do these things and having the patience to do it, we would not have achieved what we've achieved.
So you did get an electrician in and somebody to do the doors, but we did the roof light.
So yeah, I mean, you did the roof light. Radiators, all of the plumbing, changed out all the old pipes that were just corroded under the concrete, dug all them out, which was interesting after your grinder broke. Plastered everything because all the plasterboard, I think the video that was on the screen before, all the plaster falls off.
So all these walls have been replastered because when we were doing the original build, the plaster wasn't stuck to the original blocks. Wasn't planning on doing a video today, but we're just taking out this top section here to fit the supports or the pad or whatever you call it for the steel, which will go across here. And literally all this plaster, let me show you, all this plaster here. Ah, very good cameraman today.
Yeah, see?
All this plaster here, look, it's just, you can see the whole wall. So all the walls are going to have to be stripped back to block and then replasterboarded. And it all just fell off. So you have to replasterboard it.
Yeah, we took that little square out to get the steel in, didn't we? And then the whole
wall fell off.
Which was amusing.
Yeah. So
yeah,
it's turned out really, really well. If you want to see the videos of how we did this step by step, have a look through. I'll put it in a playlist. Links in this description, obviously. And you can just look through there and follow us as we did it over the course of 3 years and where we ended up here. So what's your next project? Now, has this given you more confidence to go on and
Absolutely. So, you've seen the bathroom. We've done the bathroom since doing this. I did that entirely on my own, which was, again, skills you've taught me has given me that confidence. And the next one is the ensuite. So
another bathroom as well.
I've ripped all that out. It's currently a storeroom. But that starts probably midsummer. I can start that.
That's brilliant.
So that's the next one, and then it'll be whatever Zara decides I have to do.
What your next job is.
Yeah.
Is there anything you do differently in this kitchen?
Layout wise, no. I think the way we've laid it out is exactly what we wanted. The only thing that is a bit of a problem is that radiator, and I should have thought about it when we put it in. It's on the back of the pantry, so if that radiator is turned on, it heats the pantry up.
Which is interesting.
Not great. So at the minute, that radiator is pretty much for show because I've turned it off because I don't want it heating up the food. So that's one of the things I'd do differently, is move that somewhere else.
You've got to admit though, it wasn't actually your design, was it? It's your wife's.
Yeah, no, it's Zara's design.
Not only that, in this kitchen, she did all the painting.
Yep.
You didn't do any of it, did you?
No, don't do painting.
Don't do painting. And it looks fabulous. The colours, it's
great.
really well painted. All the cutting in is perfect.
But the brick slips are mine. I'm having the brick slips.
The brick slips.
But yeah, painting Zara did all of that.
And also did the tiling in the pantry.
Yeah, all the pantry tiling in, all the tiling in the utility, all the tiling in the downstairs toilet.
All the tiling.
Zara. Yeah.
All the tiling. That's superb.
More patience than me for that, Adam.
Yeah, it's probably the best.
You know I'm like that. There's no way I'd have done that. I'd have thrown my tethers out of the pram after about 10 minutes of not being able to get one tile straight. So
have a look at the other videos showing exactly what we did. And yeah, if you think anyone might like this, then send them a link. See you on the next one.